Maglalakad na akong uuwi. Walang pambayad sa train, walang pambayad sa bus. So, walkathon. Walkathon na lang. Maganda. Pinaganda ng camera. Yes, pinasubo niya ako. Dinala niya ako sa bilihan ng cellphone.
The terror begins again.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're going to do a unboxing! Yay! So, we're going to do an unboxing and a little bit of review. So, just recently, I bought a gift for myself. I think I deserve a gift since I've been working hard naman. So, I bought the latest Samsung, which is the Samsung A6. Okay, so let's open this box and let's see what's inside. Alright. Okay, so first of all, the unit. This is the unit. This one, the manual. Of course, the charger and then the headset. Yun lang. And then there's a pin. Yung pag ilagay mo yung SIM card. Okay, so yun lang. Okay, so we have the unit, the charger and the headset, and then the pin. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang. So I was thinking kung ano ang bibilhin ko na magagamit ko sa pag-vlog ko. Kasi yung dating phone na ginagamit ko, mababa lang ang memory niya. So, pag may event kasi, nasa kalagitnaan na ako ng event, nagbablog na ako, tapos napupuno na siya. So, nakakainis. And then, nanakaw pa yung camera ko na pang-backup ko siya. Kung once napuno yung phone ko, mag-switch na ako sa camera. Unfortunately nga lang, nanakaw yung camera ko. So, nag-iisip ako kung anong bibilhin ko, or camera ba, or phone. And I ended up buying a phone. Since a phone is all-in-one na siya, pwedeng ito na ang gamitin mong mag-vlog, mag-edit, mag-upload dito lahat, especially sa work ko na, you know, anytime may gagawin ka or anytime nasa labas ka, at least pwede akong mag-edit kahit saan man ako. So, kahit nakahiga ako, mag-edit ako. Yung camera ko kasi, na dati, kailangan pa pang i-transfer sa laptop, then from laptop to my phone, kasi nga sa phone ako nag-edit, hindi ako nag-edit sa laptop. Kasi nga sa work ko is, you know, go there, everywhere, like that. So, I bought a phone na magagamit ko sa pag-vlog ko since I'm preparing for another event, big event here in Hong Kong. Why I chose this one? I think this is good for vlogging. Kasi yung camera niya actually, yung pimples ko. Yung camera niya, most of the phone ay yung back camera has higher MP than the front camera, right? But this one, the Samsung A6, mas mataas ang front camera sa back camera. So the front camera has 24 MP, and then the back camera has 16 MP. So good, parang perfect siya for vlogging. Kasi ako pag nag-vlog ako dito sa phone ko, actually, kasi mas mataas ang MP nito, syempre nakaganyan ka, hindi mo nakikita yung angle, di ba? Tapos pag i-playback mo, putol pala yung mukha mo, tapos nakatutok sa ilong mo, ganyan. So, mag-retake ka ulit. Kasi mas mataas kasi yung back camera niya, so kailangan nakaganyan ka. So, ito You don't need to do that. Parang ganon. Ganon ka siya na. Ganon ka na mag-vlog. Okay, let's try. Let's try, okay? Uy. Okay, let's try the front camera, okay? Kita mo na, pak ang angle. So, hi guys! What's up? Guys! What's up mga pare, mga mare, mga aunties, mga uncles, mga lolos and lolas? Oh, diba? So, parang ganon. So, at least, you don't need to do that, right? Okay.
Hi, what's up? Charot, this thing!
If you are looking for a phone that is perfect for vlogging, then you can try this one, the Samsung A6. Okay, it's a bit pricey, but yeah, if kung kaya nyo, then you can buy iPhone A6. But if not, LG also has a better camera. Yes, actually dito ako nagsimula. I did not buy that expensive. Okay, and it has a good camera. In fact, sa karamihan, actually most, 97% of my vlogs ay nakuha dito. Okay, 3% of my vlogs ay sa camera ko lang kasi I prefer nga using phone. Then the camera, kasi nga yung camera is hassle kasi siya. I need to transfer from my laptop to my phone. So yun, ayoko yun kasi nga ayoko ng video. And this is the unboxing and a little bit of review of the iPhone A6. So I hope you like it, and if you do like it, then leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I hope you will ring the bell as well so that you will get notified every time I post a video. So again, this is me, Czarina, saying stay safe everyone, enjoy your day, have a nice day.